What's up, folks? This is Jaman from Future IT Vision. Uh, this is class for Java for Beginner Part 10. Last class I show you about basic about if-else statement. Today I will show you if-else statement with multiple condition. So let's do it, guys. There's a class I last time I used for it. I'm going to use the same class, or I create the second class with the if-else statement 2. You can create it if you want. So now you see here two variable here, int salt 120, salt 2 15. So if salt 1 equal 20, print out this. If not, print out this. You know that last video I already explained about that. So now how we can pass the two condition. Now over here I can use the pipe. I can use a pipe and I can set salt 1 equal 20, or as a salt 2 equal 10. Okay, so now sorry, salt 1 equal 10, or you have a greater than 10 and equal 30. So now over here I say salt 1 equal 30, or this double pipe is or in Java, and salt 1 greater than 10. If this condition match with this, or this condition match, print out this, either one. If one condition match, this will print out the first things, and if not, print out this. So if you run, guys, think about that a few seconds, what will be result? Salt 20, because salt greater than 10, which is 20, and salt equal 30, which is false. So one statement matching, one condition is matching. That's why you print out the boolean, which is the salt 1 equal 20. Is not going to else statement. If is both, either is not matching, what will be happen? Let's see. If either is not matching, less than 30, if I run, it should be go to the salt 2, because both statements is wrong, which is the salt 1 equal 30. No, salt is 20. Salt greater than 30. No, salt is lesser than 30. So now this statement is false, so it's not gonna pass this one, it's passing this one. So now we know how to create a multiple condition if else statement. Example, I'm gonna see here, use the another one. How it is not equal, the not equal explanation, and equal is the not equal 30, and salt less than 30, so what will happen? Run. It should be 20, because salt is less than 30. And if I use over here, salt is not equal 30. If I run, guys, so what will happen here? One statement is 20, because is salt is not equal 30. The condition boolean is truth. Okay, is true, and that's why it's not going to the else. So guys, now we know how to use the multi condition in if statement, and next video I will show you how to use the else more advanced level. So keep tuning Future IT Vision. Feel free to comment if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I will be answer it, and see you for next video. Thank you.